So first and foremost, I want to thank everybody that's subscribed to my channel. So far, we're sitting at 769 subscribers. I appreciate you guys subscribing. So I'm sitting in my backyard and I realized that it is the golden hour. So I might as well take advantage of this light, right? So anyway, this is the second edition of my vlog. And I'm trying to do this like once a month and make this a regular thing. Just to throw some updates up there in case, anybody was interested. Like, for instance, got my truck back a couple of days after I dropped it off. There was nothing wrong with it. They looked it over, they ran the error codes, and then they, decided on, hey, let's do a relearn on the ECU for the transmission, and did that. I haven't had any issues with that truck since, so it's been good. It took us down to Big Bend National Park. That was fun. It was a little spring break trip. Got to see dark sky country. Got to check out the McDonald Observatory. Get to see some of the stars and constellations that you don't normally see because of light pollution wherever you may live, unless you live in dark sky country. While we were down there, we did a little bit of off-roading. I mean, there's tons of opportunities for that, whether it's in the national park or in the state park. I always hear people talking about there isn't a whole lot of overlanding opportunities or off-road opportunities there, but that's just not true. So, like, for instance, if you wanted to go down to Santa Elena Canyon, there's three ways you can get there, actually. The first one, you can take the Old Maverick Road from the west entrance. You hop on Old Maverick Road to dirt roads, 14 miles, takes you past a bunch of really cool campsites. You just have to go to the ranger station within 24 hours to reserve one, and from what I saw, none of them were being used. So they're pretty much all open if you wanted to do that. What else? So like I said, 14 miles from the west entrance down to Santa Elena Canyon. Oh yeah, and then there's also this 50-mile long river road that you can drive. We spent, I think, maybe 4.5 hours, 5 hours driving off-road just on the Glen Springs Road to the Black Gap Trail to whatever road we took to get back to the blacktop, the asphalt. So I think trying to do the 50 miles off-road river road piece would have been a little much for a day. There's tons of like touristy stuff to go see, like some of the fossil exhibits, the visitor center, the Chisos Basin area, that was also cool, and then Santa Elena Canyon, and then the Rio Grande, where there, I can't remember the name of the area, but there's a spot where some of the local Mexican citizens from across the Rio Grande come across and leave some of their wares out for tourists to buy. I don't know how legal that is, but apparently the rangers know about it, so I don't know. I thought that was pretty neat. What else? So anyway, I mean, it was fun. It was a good time. There was a lot of stuff down there to go see. And then if the national park isn't your thing, the state park is right next door, or not too far down the road. You can drive to that, and there's off-road trails and stuff you can do there. And then once we got back from the trip, I did a little bit of maintenance on the truck. I had to install some shock relocation brackets. I did that. I did not do my bump stops like I wanted to, because I didn't order the right stuff. So I gotta wait for that stuff to get in. Once it gets in, I'll be able to do that stuff. What else happened? Oh, yeah. So I replaced one of my GoPros with a Insta360 Ace action camera. I've heard nothing but good things about it, and everything that I've seen come out of that camera looks pretty cool. Anyway, so that's what we were up to. At least that's what I was up to. The weather's been a little wet, like overly wet and overly windy lately. So I'm hoping this weekend that we don't have a whole lot of that, but the forecast isn't looking so good. So I don't know. I'll find something to do, find some place to go, test out that new camera, or use that new camera, I should say. I mean, this thing is supposed to do a lot. So that's the update. Not a whole lot going on. The expo season has started, so I got to figure out which one I want to go to. Camping season's here. Got to make some plans to go camping in some places I haven't been yet. You know, we'll see. Tons of stuff happening, so it should be a good year for it, I hope, unless something happens to screw it up for everybody. So we'll see.